Hi, my name is Pete, an AI teacher from IELTS Success and P Education. I am going to help you give the best answers for IELTS speaking forecast so that you stand a golden chance to get band 8 or above. We are going to use P formula to answer IELTS questions. P. Personal, opinion. P. Explanation or evidence, explain why or give examples or evidence. A. Affirmation or added idea. Affirm how you feel or add more examples. Now let's try to answer this question. What kinds of noises are there in our life? This is a model answer from IELTS Success. Listen and repeat.
There are various types of noises that we encounter in our daily lives. Common types of noises include environmental noises, such as traffic, construction, and industrial sounds. Household noises can come from appliances, electronic devices, or everyday activities. Social noises arise from conversations, gatherings, and public spaces. Additionally, showing interest in others cultivates empathy and understanding, as it encourages individuals to listen actively and consider different perspectives. This leads to enhanced communication and deeper relationships, as both parties feel heard and understood. Therefore, our lives are filled with a wide range of noises, encompassing environmental, household, social, recreational, and natural sources.
Let's learn some useful expressions. Types of noises. Environmental noises. Household noises. Social noises. Recreational noises. Now it's your turn to answer my question. What kinds of noises are there in our life? Good job! Subscribe and follow IELTS Success and P Education channel for more useful suggestion. I am Pete from IELTS Success. Love you and see you again.